Hello guys, I am presenting AaharVeda solution. So we have basically a team with diverse interests of knowledge. So Patel Viswas, he helped a lot in this project. He helped in basically to design and normalize the database. And we have also research persons Vivek and Umang, which help in documentations and researching. So so with this team, uh, we have a solutions AaharVeda, and I would also like to thanks to our guide Rishikesh sir and others sir. So okay, so let's present the AaharVeda. So let me give some brief abstraction regarding the AaharVeda. So basically AaharVeda will be going to present and provide the nutritional recipe based informations. So we are thinking to give a proper detail A to Z details regarding any specific recipe like preparation type, diet type, ingredients, nutritions. So yes, that will I will tell you later. So what we are providing and why we are giving this solution to our end user. So basically problem is that obviously persons in oftenly suffer from many health conditions. So in such cases they obviously have to search what they should eat in particular such health conditions. So uh, you may, they might follow some instructions of any article, so they might search on Google, so they might search on the YouTube video. So basically we see that the problem is not showing a specific and A to Z detailed informations regarding any recipe like nutritional, what we should eat and what should be our daily intake of any particular nutrition. So the problem that we are thinking is that providing a proper detailing recipe details or food details that we should eat in daily life. And if you want to search any recipe regarding any fruit or any salad or any vegetables, so we are also providing a large database so that user can search it. So this is basically our problem. So we are thinking to give the solutions. So that is why we make AaharVeda. So AaharVeda is basically a address such peoples that really want to take care about their health by getting some proper guidelines what they should eat. So AaharVeda will be going to a user friendly platform, so that will help to our end users by giving some proper nutrients details of any recipe what they want to like it to make a particular recipe, and it will going to be very easy to use and very user friendly. So yes, that's our main solutions. So our main objective is that giving the accurate nutritional information with proper uh, weightage and proper intake in particular recipe and in per serving. So yes, that's a thing. And we are also offering a personalized dietary information based on their health goals. They can select a particular health goals based on some parameter, and by this parameter we are recommend to take this dietary in the lunch, dinner and breakfast. And we are also thinking to give a wide range of recipe with proper preparation details and nutritional content, and obviously it will be going to user friendly platform. So we are providing a multiples, like I said that we are thinking to give some proper details. But as we are develop a version 1 of the AaharVeda, so the system architecture will be a simple. So basically what we are doing is we are taking the help of a third party database of vegetables, fruits, and the recipe nutritional details. So from that we are processing on our server side, and we are storing in database as if user want to store, a user want to save any particular recipe details. So yes, as of now in the version 1, we are thinking that we are making such system so that it will be easier to user. But yes, obviously we can improve it in the futures. Okay, so whatever we made in version 1, so we use some technologies, like in front-end technologies we use react.js plus wit. So that will basically improve our front-end. And we are also use SADCN UI library to make user-friendly interface. And yes, obviously we are also use react chart.js to show proper nutritional details in the pie chart form. And in backend technologies we are using node.js and express.js. And as I said, we are also use some third party database uh, of recipe, fruits and vegetables, and the nutritional details. And from that database we are collecting some specific details, and we process it, and then we will show to the end user. Yes, and also we are use the MongoDB database. The reason behind the MongoDB database is, since our data is not in the fixed structure, and for maybe a different recipe there might be a different field, and that also possible that for another recipe it is not possible necessary to have such fixed field. It will be going to a fully dynamic details. So yes, the so we are thinking that we should take a non-relational database. So from the non-relational choices we decided to think the MongoDB because it's more convenient. And yes, that's a reason to use MongoDB database. Yes, so these technologies we use in the version 1 of the AaharVeda. So yes, so before giving to a conclusion, so I would like to present a demo of AaharVeda. So let me just switch the tab. Okay, so this is our uh, landing page of the AaharVeda. From this, user can move to their dashboard. So let me walk you through a quick demo. Okay, so this will going to end users dashboard. In the dashboard it shows the trending recipe based on their weekly or monthly. So here they can see the top 5 trending recipe. And yes, as I said that they can also set their health goal. So according to that we are showing that in daily what should be a nutritional intact. Okay, so we are also they also can update it according to their health goal. And yes, we are also recommending the today recipe in the breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, so since as we are in the first version, so we are just providing some few facility, like one of them is the recipe. They can find the recipe. In future we are add some services, like if they want to search what they should in particular health conditions, we are also thinking to provide these features to basically recommend what they should eat in specific health conditions. So yes, and we are also thinking to give the proper nutritional details regarding any specific fruits, specific vegetables, and also specific recipes. So we are also thinking that. But in the version 1 we developed some normal recipe finding service. So Yes, let me give some let's just give some dummy data or like random fact data and see that whether it is handling or not. So I just giving some random text and let's see. Oh yes, as I expected that it's nothing to show, because obviously this kind of thing not exist. So let's just give some meaningful and the correct data. So I want to know about some recipe regarding salad. Okay, so let's find it. Oh, so it's basically giving the avocado chili salad, and it's giving the entire things that with this. So we are we obviously made some research, and we are also designed the user interface in the first pen paper. What what we should and what we should design the user interface so that everything will be in the in single page. So yes, as per the design, we implemented it, and also in per recipe we are showing the type of that recipe in more oftenly where it people like to eat, and we are also providing the meal type and dish type, and we are also giving the all ingredients to make this particular recipe, and we are also mentioning the credit uh, of the articles. Yes, that's the thing. Okay, so yes, and we are also showing that the diet labels, health labels. So the main thing of this is uh, in the futures we are thinking that based on also some health labels, user can filter their recipe. So we are also thinking on that, but as in version 1 we are just showing that, but in next version we improve it. So let's just search some another recipe. So let's just take some fruit. Is there any recipe with, is it possible to make any recipe with this fruit? Yes, it's possible. Okay, so yes, that's the thing. Now let's try some another thing. Let's say paneer. With paneer, let's find a recipe. Yes, so it's giving this recipe. Oh yes, that's a good thing. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let's just try some one more. Pineapple. Okay, so yes, cool. And we can also search from here. Obviously, for the end user, maybe it's not convenient, but uh, as I developed in the dynamic routing, so we can also do that. So let's just use juice. Oh, it's giving. Oh, so that's it. Let's back to our presentation slide. Okay, so in conclusion, what we are concluding that the for the end user perspective, yes, it's going to a very useful applications, web applications. So obviously we also survey of the feedback, so whether it's cool or not, whether it's useful for end user or not. So yes, so in the response we are giving lot of persons response. It's a good thing, and uh, they oftenly require such web applications. So yes, from the end perspective, it's going to be useful, very useful web applications. From the developer perspective, so as we develop this web applications, so we learn how to connect APIs, and how to work with database, and how to connect the user interface with the backend, and to handle such things and process the data and then showing to user and fully dynamically. So yes, we learned from lot of things from this project. Okay, So as I said, in future scope we will give some more improved version from this. In this version we are just giving some details, but in the next version we are thinking to give multiple detailed informations and recommendations, and based on the health condition we'll plan providing. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so we use we get the help from our guide also, and we take the help from documentations for dynamic react routing, and for using front end UI component, and for also attaching some icons. So yes, we help from the this website that I mentioned. Okay, so that's a thing that we present. So thank you everyone for listening this.